How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, trains, trolleys, and 2023 brand stinking new Ford Escape. Thanks, Ford. They changed the grille again. So you might have saw some of my older Escape videos featuring a Lin 6 that mounted really nicely in the grille of the 22. That doesn't work so hot in this new grille. Got a lot of curvature, so we wanted to try up something a little different. So what you're seeing here is our auto flasher module that we're running on the front amber turn signals. It allows us to wig-wag and strobe flash the front amber turn signals, and it plugs in right behind the headlights in about 10 seconds. Headlights are extremely easy to get to, and the only thing you have to do is provide switched power to the module harness, and this is what you get. Now your signals are going to work perfectly fine when you turn off the switch, but when you're engaged in emergency with the switch on, this overrides your factory signals. So you're going to have strobes in the front, not factory signals. We also have the kit available for the white DRL, so you could run one or either or both, your choice, and they're all plug and play. So this will be on the website extremely soon. If it's not up by the time the video is posted, we will get it up very fast. On the right-hand side, you can see our typical Escape platform there. We like the 4-head wicked stick. We mount it right there in the hatch with a riv nut and some 1/4-inch all thread. It works awesome. I've got a great video goes about that over that in our other Escape videos, so I'm not going to get real in-depth with that. That stick is capable of flashing in white or amber or both colors. It's also capable of a flood white. It's got a whole boatload of patterns, so it's a good outfit for the Ford Escape, and a 4-head version works very well. So, and as I said, in the front here, you could see the curvature on that new grille makes it a little difficult to try to get anything in there. Even mounting behind the grille is not going to be very effective. The way this grille curves in on every opening, it kind of blocks it, so it'd be a lot of work to try to get a light in that grille to be effective. So we're going to run with this plug-and-play auto flasher on the front of these two, and many more to follow for V3. And let me show you something else we did. You can see those new logos right there. V3 asked us if we could redesign that logo in an all-reflective. So of course we obliged. And as you can see, not only is their logo reflective, but a lot of the Wicked Warning stickers are also reflective. And as I turn the camera flash on and off, you can see how it lights up the logo on the back and the door. That was made here. So if you have some sticker needs and you'd like to get it upgraded, let us know. We can take care of that while your vehicle's here. Very cool. I like when I get to do multiple vehicles like this. It gives me kind of an opportunity to play around with the posing and show them off a little bit. We've done this a couple times when we had a train of Escapes come through here. Now, the next thing I want to mention is there is a LED reverse light in the hatch on these Escapes. We're going to be running with an auto flasher kit to wig-wag the white reverse. This particular client didn't move forward with it. They wanted an all amber package. Understandable. But if you have an Escape and you wanted to add a little more white to the rear without drilling holes or adding any extra lighting other than the 4-head stick, you could either turn the 4-head stick to flash amber and white, or in the future sometime we will be releasing and demoing the LED white reverse auto flasher kit for the back end of this Escape to complement the front. So stay tuned. We're going to get it all up on the website as soon as we can. This kit's very easy. It's just a 4-head stick, a 30-foot piece of 18.5 to extend that forward. We've got some 16.2 for our power ground. We've got a fuse kit, and then we've got our auto flasher kit for the front. So it'll be a fairly easy kit. An accessory bundle will come with it. And any questions at all, please email in. If you don't see what you're looking for, email in and let us know and we'll get it for you. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. I hope you enjoyed this 2023 Ford Escape, and we'll see you on the next video.